Are you looking for a new crypto airdrop opportunity that offers more than just quick rewards? Imagine earning tokens consistently, boosting your rewards with referrals, and getting a guaranteed token swap into a major exchange-listed asset. Welcome to Time Farm, the latest project in the TON ecosystem, brought to you by the reputable Chrono.tech team. In this video, we're diving deep into how you can participate in the Time Farm Airdrop, earn consistently, and prepare for the upcoming $2 to $TIME token conversion. Let's get started. How to participate in the airdrop. Joining Time Farm is simple and rewarding from the very beginning. Follow these steps to start earning. Launch the Time Farm bot on Telegram. Connect your TON-compatible wallet. Complete basic tasks, and check in every 4 hours to claim rewards. Once you join, you'll receive a generous $250,000 second token bonus. This bonus can be significantly increased through additional features like staking, premium tools, and multi-level referral rewards. How to maximize rewards on Time Farm. If you're looking to earn more from the platform, here are the most effective ways to boost your rewards. Check in every 4 hours to collect maximum $second rewards. Refer new users and earn multi-tiered commissions, up to 5 levels deep. Stake your tokens for longer durations to receive higher yields. Participate in weekly burn-to-earn campaigns where you send tokens to a burn address in return for USDT rewards. Stay consistently active. Inactivity can reduce or even forfeit your eligibility for rewards. When is the airdrop and token listing? Initially, the Time Farm team signaled a token generation event, TG, in Q1 2025. However, as of now, there is no official confirmation on the exact date for the airdrop distribution or public token listing. That said, one key point is confirmed. All $second tokens accumulated will be converted into $TIME tokens at the time of the TG. This is important because $TIME is already listed on popular platforms such as KuCoin and Uniswap. The upcoming conversion is expected to provide better liquidity and an overall smoother trading experience for users. Tokenomics, staking, burn-to-earn, and the $TIME conversion. Time Farm's token model is built around user engagement and long-term sustainability. Here's what makes it stand out. Staking. Lock your second tokens to earn passive rewards. The longer the lock-in period, the higher the returns. Burn-to-earn campaigns. Weekly events where users can burn their tokens and receive USDT in exchange. This creates a deflationary effect on the token supply. TG swap. At the token generation event, all $second tokens will be converted to $TIME, Chrono.tech's native token. This will unlock usage across various platforms like LaborX and TimeX. Is Time Farm legitimate? Although second is not listed on public exchanges yet, the project is backed by Chrono.tech, a well-established blockchain company with an active presence in the space. Its $TIME token is already traded and used across multiple products, which adds credibility to Time Farm. The team is transparent, communicates through official channels, and is seeing rapid growth in user engagement. However, always follow basic crypto safety rules. Never share your private keys or seed phrases. Use only official links and wallet integrations. Stay connected to verified Telegram groups and websites. OUTRO. Time Farm offers more than just another tap-to-earn experience. With consistent rewards, advanced tokenomics, and a pathway to convert into an exchange-listed token, it stands out as a serious player in the airdrop space. Even though the official TG date hasn't been announced, the opportunity to earn, stake, refer, and participate is live right now. Take advantage of the early stage and start building your token balance today. If you're interested in more crypto updates, airdrop strategies, and tokenomics breakdowns, be sure to subscribe and stay informed. Until next time, stay safe and stay smart in your crypto journey.